Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platforms, which is Hubdoc and Expensify. So to get started with a head-to-head comparison about the two platforms, help you decide which of these platforms is the right accounting software for you to automate your work in 2025. So Hubdoc and Expensify serve two distinct roles in the accounting ecosystem. Hubdoc is designed for automating the collection and entry of financial documents like bills, receipts, and bank statement. It extracts data and sends it to your accounting software, reducing manual entry and keeping your record tidy. It's best used as a back-end support tool alongside platforms like Xero or QuickBooks. Expensify, on the other hand, focus on expense reporting, employees reimbursement, and a receipt tracking. It ideals for businesses with times that travel, spend on company cards, or need a robust expense policy enforcement. These tools aren't direct competitors, they address different pain points. Hubdoc automates document management and bookkeeping tasks, while Expensify help control and track employee expenses. And here's a better conclusion about these two platforms to help you decide which of these is best for you. So you can easily choose or go with Expensify if your primary need is managing and automating team spending, but you can choose Hubdoc if you're looking to streamline the document flows into your accounting software and reduce bookkeeping times. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.